Sir, where are we going, bro?
Mabuhay! We're going to the Philippines. We're going to the Urban Cafe. We're gonna eat crocodile.
Bro, where are we going?
We're going to Urban Cafe. Alam mo, kasi the crocodile meat pre, it's very gamey, very unique, very exotic. So alam mo yun, yeah, it's very interesting. Yes.
I take two, man. Where are we going?
Well, we're going to the Urban Cafe in QC. Yes, we're gonna eat the crocodile burger. It's very delicious. I heard it's choice.
Have you tried crocodile?
Nope.
Nope. First time?
Yes, this is my first time.
Joseph, nakakain ka na ng crocodile
Hindi
before?
pa. First time.
Excited?
Oo.
Ikaw, nakakain ka ng crocodile, Mr. John.
Hindi pa.
Sino dito nakakain ng crocodile?
What's up? Bakit tayong crocodile?
Okay, Wax, ikaw, nakakain ka ng crocodile?
Hindi pa.
Excited.
Crocodile? Nakakain ka na ba ng crocodile?
Sino tinatanong mo?
Ikaw?
Tanong mo yung audience natin.
Hindi, kasama ka dito eh. Groupmate ka.
Hindi pa, parang hindi ako excited.
Hindi ka excited sa crocodile? Patingin nyo, anong lasa ng crocodile?
Masarap ng crocodile.
Nakakain ka na ng
Oo,
crocodile?
masarap.
Lasa.
Chicken siya. Sabi na eh.
Isang chicken na hindi.
So, ibig sabihin, medyo mild yung lasa niya. Kasi lasang chicken eh. Parang rabbit, gano'n. Kasing meat ng crocodile ang nakain.
Ko lang, crocodile burger.
Crocodile burger.
Usually kasi buntot yun eh. Ginagamit yun.
Pero yun nga yung sabi ni Chef Lezo, di ba, sa buntot?
Buntot.
Lagi ginagamit yung buntot eh.
Anong ginagawa nila dun sa ano? Ah, yung the rest nung ano, yung skin na lang, no? Ginagawang belt.
Nagawa siyang lakos.
Sausage, sisig.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein on, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi vlog! And tayo ay magta-try ng gay meats dito lang sa Wilcon Depot. Dito lang yan sa EDSA Balintawak at samahan nyo kami.
So, order kami dalawa lang. Yung fried rice and yung sa XO sauce.
Na, puro crocodile. Ayun talaga, kunin ko yung ginamit. Anything, order ko kanina eh. Mga mga Koreano. Ito yung order nila lahat. Ayun lang. No. Inorder nila ito na. Bali ano sila, bali walo sila. Yan. Kasi talagang pinitman nila ng ulang sa ulan ito.
Wala sa budget natin.
Hindi, kasi ano mga yun eh. Pero dinayo nila talaga dito.
Hindi talagang ito talaga yung pizza nila. Yung
Dinayo nila talaga. Hinahanap nila ito. Sa amin ko, nakita nila sa Facebook tips namin.
nagano sila.
Ayos ah. Okay din ah.
Kasi ito sir, itong may-ari nito, meron siyang farm.
Meron siyang farm talaga ng crocodile.
Sa Palawan, sa...
Galing pang Palawan yung...
Tapos meron din dito sa Tanay, Murong Tanay, Rizal.
Panay Rizal.
Oo, meron din.
Ayos ah. Pero hindi lang sa crocodile, no? Meron din kayong rabbit, saka
Oo,
turtle.
meron. Exotic kami dito. Talaga. Minsan meron din kami ahas. Pero meron ka natin ahas.
Parang seasonal lang gano'n.
Oo,
Meron.
Why don't we just, it's free to the bar. Why don't we just do it on 6, it's 500 each. Okay na.
3 days ko 500 each.
Okay na.
38,000 yung di ba? 38,000. Tapos ito na yung load nila lahat. Hindi. Nagpa-impress sila. So, lahat ng crocodile nila. Serve. Para kung ano yung sobrang dami. Serve. Pero ito
Kasi yun yung ano, yun yung Yun daw yung dinayo nila.
Yun nga, di tayo rin naman. Sinong K-pop ang nasa Pilipinas ngayon? Wala?
Si Ryan mo.
Crocodile herbal soup. So, ang sabi nga namin ni Carla, ang naisip daw niya, nung narinig niya yung crocodile herbal soup, akala niya yung soup is very clear. Kasi usually kapag herbal soup, medyo light, di ba? So ito, medyo dark siya. Tapos, paano ba? Cloudy? Hindi naman siya cloudy. Medyo. Alam mo yung yung soup ng papaitan. Kung alam niyo. Yan yung itsura niya actually. So,
Pakita kayo. Skills. Wow.
ganun yung itsura niya. And also, so, meron siyang crocodile meat din. Variety siguro yung pansin crocodile. Meron kasi yung kay Carla nga. Ano to? Goji berry ba to?
Yeah, goji berry.
It's goji berry, no? So may goji berry siya.
The taste is reminiscent of mirepoix. It tastes like very herbal, very vegetal taste. You don't really taste the crocodile in the broth. It's mostly the herbs that you're tasting. In terms of the meat, it's reminiscent of pork. So it tastes like sinigang pork or any stewed pork. It's actually not very exotic in flavor. It's something you can eat every day.
Mapait siya. Mapait. It's bitter. Siguro because of the herbs din.
Top ba yung meat? Okay.
Yung meat hindi ko pa na-try. Pero yung smell, yung yeah. Pero may bitterness.
It tastes like celery.
Tapos,
I can smell it.
It really tastes like celery.
very rough yung outside layer. So,
Oh, John, pero
Ano siya? Malasa naman, pero yung meat niya.
That's just weird.
Medyo rough. Saka parang ano? Parang ako kumakain ng baboy na manok. Parang ganun yung ano niya.
This is the crocodile scale that you'll find in the soup.
alam niyo ba yung
The mouthfeel is very good.
labahita? Yung ng labahita. Naka-extra niyo yung labahita. Alam niyo yung labahita, John?
yung pinipili eh.
Oo, labahita. Naka-extra niyo yung labahita.
Ano siya? Parang raw.
Oo,
Yung meat?
yun nga.
Pero malambot.
Yeah, labahita.
Pero lasang manok.
With the skin of the crocodile.
Grabe pa na malambot.
Ano ba yung loob? Meron pa ba? Very mataba siya. Pero yung skin niya, hindi ko alam kung edible siya. Try mo yung balas. Meron siyang cut doon. Gusto mo? Pero hindi, ano siya? Gusto mo? Ang weird ng pili sa mga. Ang weird ng pili sa mga. Pero masarap siya. Wala siyang lasa.
May bone.
Rough siya. Parang hindi siya edible.
Ito.
Pero meron siyang taba.
Parang ano ba mga short?
Alam mo yung armadillo? Yeah. Kaya parang gano'n ka. May itsura. May itsura pero...
Distinct ba yun?
No.
Really?
I think the soup more than that.
Different. No, I mean, what I mean is, pag hinain nyo, kaya laman yung crocodile.
Tapos parang collagen close this way.
Ano ba ang
Very iba yung lasa.
very
Wala siyang kalasang ibang may.
Wala kang siyang makalasa. Parang siyang beef. Wala siyang kalasa.
Lalo yung closest yun. Ano yung lasa?
Pero yung lasa.
Yan yung balls ng crocodile. Langhap, sarap. Ano ba to? Please explain the dish.
So this is the other dish that we got. It's another crocodile dish. So it's basically just crocodile fillet or crocodile meat in salt and pepper.
So like salt and pepper spare rib style crocodile fillet.
Yeah, so basically it's how we would prepare any salt and pepper. Siguro Chinese style is they would dredge it into something, then they fry it, right? And then just toss it in salt, pepper, oil, something.
Saka MSG.
Yeah. So that's it. That's basically it. So this is how much? It's 1,400. This is 1,400. The soup, by the way, is 1,600. It's 1,600 per soup. And it serves 6 people. Yeah. 6. Sakto 6, no? It's like 10 pesos. Mukha siyang parado.
Mukha siyang ano yung sa ano, Chinese restaurant.
Close up.
Hindi siya piling.
Close up.
Salt and pepper.
Hindi siya piling.
Yung crocodile is madami siyang buto at madami siyang cartilage.
Basically, it's very mild. So, hindi mo talaga ma-distinguish ng lasa.
The more na kinakain mo siya, the more na mas nalalasahan mo na wala siyang
Wala siyang
kalasa.
Yummy!
Okay, get for you.
Hi guys, napaka-chewy niya.
Ito yung cartilage, no?
Parang 1 minute na ako nagbabite. Very masarap siya. And
So, partner ng crocodile is kilit.
very flavorful. Yun lang ba ito?
I think it's
So,
more of a Chinese thing than
I guess that's crocodile.
Orderin nyo dito yung
Serving size of rice.
yung herbal soup, crocodile herbal soup. Lagyan nyo ng calamansi yung soup, tsaka ng chili oil. Ang sarap.
you should if you're gonna try crocodile, please note that it's very mild. So all the dishes and all the preparations we had here today is very it would taste the same if you used a different meat. So yung spare ribs taste like normal spare ribs, and yung soup is tastes like any herbal soup for China. But otherwise, crocodile is a very
Flexible meat.
flexible meat.
Ano ko, buto. Hindi ko alam anong part to.
Masasabi niyo ba na kailangan i-al seasoning ang crocodile?
How seasoned?
How seasoning? How seasoning? Kailangan ng how seasoning ng crocodile.
And calamansi is huge.
Yung gano'n, isang gano'n.
Kasi pag di mo tinimpla, hindi. Parang matabang siya, no?
Feel ko, kailangan nasa timpla talaga yung lasa.
Thank you!
Bye, Jeff!
Bye, Zep!
Bye-bye!
It's a crocodile sisig platter, mate. Oh my crikey! Crocodile's expensive! Nagto 200.
Hindi dapat combo set lang tayo.
5? Sige, divide mo.
Hindi tayo makakaabot din.
Crikey, mate! 1.6.
Human drone.